Pray that your loneliness may spur you into finding something to live for, great enough to die for. It is absolutely necessary, for the peace and safety of mankind, that some of earth's dark, dead corners and unplumbed depths be let alone, lest sleeping abnormalities wake to resurgent life, and blasphemously surviving nightmares squirm and splash out of their black lairs to newer and wider conquests. Mental prayer, in my opinion, is nothing else than an intimate sharing between friends. It means taking time frequently to be alone with Him who we know loves us. The important thing is not to think much but to love much, and so do that which best stirs you to love. Love is not great delight but desire to please God in everything. Now that I'm older, I have a much better appreciation of nature, and I love being alone. When you begin to worry, go find something to do. Get busy being a blessing to someone, do something fruitful. Talking about your problem or sitting alone, thinking about it, does no good. It serves only to make you miserable. Above all else, remember that worrying is totally useless. Worrying will not solve your problem.